Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to all for today's class. In last class, we learned different vegetation in Australia. Is it? Different vegetations in Australia we learned in last class. And wildlife also we learned. Got it, dear students? Different animals in Australia we learned. Okay. And today's topic you will see. Before that, listen, dear students. Agriculture and animal husbandry. You not have this topic because government already reduced this topic. So you not have. And minerals and industries also you not have. Okay, these two topics you not have. Let us see now. Seventh point, population. Listen, population growth. As mentioned earlier, Australia is not only small in terms of size, but it also has small population. Its total population was 20 million in 2012, which accounts for only 0.31% of the world's population. In 1860, the population was 1.15 million and it rose to 18.7 million in 1998. It indicates that the growth of population increased till the end of the last century. Listen, dear students, already I said in last class, the Australia is the smallest continent. Okay, Australia is the smallest continent in the world. Not only in the form of size, it also has very less population in the world. Got it? Got it, dear students? Now let's see the distribution of population. The distribution of population in Australia is uneven and sparse. The vast interior territory of Australia is almost without inhabitants. New South Wales is the most populated state, one third of in Australia. Listen, in Australia continent, which state has more population? New South Wales state has more population in Australia. Got it? One third of population is in New South Wales state. Got it? Victoria state has the second place and followed by South Australia. Listen, which are second place? Victoria state has the second rank in population in Australia continent. Got it? Tasmania is sparsely populated and nearly 50% of the population in the continent lives in the six capital cities, namely Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Adelaide, Perth and Newcastle. These are the six capital cities in Australia. Out of 100% population, 50% populations are stayed or located in these six capital cities in Australia continent. What are the six capital cities? Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Adelaide, Perth and Newcastle. These are the six capital cities in Australia continent. 50% of population are in these six capital cities in Australia continent. Got it? Now you see density. Australia is one of the countries with a very low density of population in the world. The average density of population is only 3 persons per square kilometers. Listen, dear students, the average density of population in Australia is 3 persons per square kilometers. Got it? It varies from one place to another. Population density is very high in few urban and industrial centers. Capital cities along the east coast of the continent, namely Victoria, New South Wales, Queensland, Tasmania, etc. Got it? Listen, population density is very high in few urban and industrial centers. Got it? Urban and industrial centers. Capital cities along with the east coast of the continent, namely Victoria, New South Wales, Queensland, Tasmania, etc. Got it? Moderate density is found in the southeastern and southwestern parts. In contrast, 80% of the continent covered by desert and semi-desert. Listen dear students, 80% of the continent covered by desert and semi-desert. It has the lowest density. The general pattern of population distribution is a remarkable reflection of geographical influence. Observe that picture map, dear students. This picture shows the Australia's population density. See, observe carefully. Okay, listen. In Australia, urban population is more than rural population. Listen, in Australia, in urban population, how many percent? 85% of population in urban and 15% population are located in rural areas. Got it? Out of 100%, 85% of population is in urban and balance or remaining 15% is located in rural areas. Got it? This is your lesson, dear students. I hope you clear this lesson. In case if you have any doubts, you can call at any time and ask. Okay, now homework for you. Listen, page number 132. They given in first my 9 question is there. Among 9, any 5 questions you need to answer. Any 5. What I done topic, in the topic only you need to make a questions and answers. Okay. Write neatly in your social HW and send today. Got it, dear students? Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.